Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Lumanight in Prodigy, so let's just get into the video. This just came out, and it's the new mythical epic. It just came out. I made a video on it yesterday because I got it through hacking, but this is my account where I don't hack, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to get it. But before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. And we are going at a very fast rate right now, so we could get there. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is press Who Am I? New Epic Task. And you also have to have membership for this. There are a bunch of videos out there about how to get free teacher membership. This will work. Just look up how to get free membership and you can get it. But what you have to do is, so we have it expires. So here we go. We are going to press on info. So we have to collect 4 sunflowers, 5 rock fronts, and 6 comfy nests. We are going to start off with 4 sunflowers. I don't expect to complete it in this video, so I'm going to be making a part 2 if I don't get it. So here we go. We are going to go over here because I think there's one over here. Okay, so you got to open these to get it. Let's see, do we get one? No, we do not get any florins. Or we do get florins, we don't get any sunflowers. So I'm going to press collect all because there might be another one here, but I'd highly doubt it. Yeah, so there's only one thing here, there's only one thing that we have to collect here. So let's see, nothing again. We just have to get 4. But this could take a very long time, so I'm probably going to post this the day after. Or I'm probably going to post this tomorrow, which would be Wednesday. Let's check this one. And still nothing. There's one right here. Nothing. Okay, we beat the monster. Let's go up here. There's one. Still nothing, bruh. If we get nothing, this is gonna be sad. Okay, here's one. Finally, there's a sunflower. I'm 75% sure there's nothing up here, but I'm still gonna check. So, as I said, I was 75% sure, but there is one up here. So we didn't get any sunflowers out of that. And now we are going to go down to the left. And let's see what's up here. Okay, so there is one, but I think we're going to have to battle a monster. We didn't, but we didn't get a sunflower. So the most that we can get from here is 2, which is kind of sad. So we finished the battle, let's head down. Okay, there is I guess you'd call this one like a trap. And there we go, another sunflower. So that is all of the things in Firefly Forest. So next we are going to go to Shipwreck Shore, I'm pretty sure. Back to Who Am I? Info. Go collect 5 rock friends. There is nothing down here. Let's go to the right. Battle the monster and go up. There's a chest. Work away around this muckster. And nothing. Go left. Go left. No chest. Back here and up. There's a chest. Let's see what we get. Nothing good. Go into the water. I don't know if you can make it. You can't make it. Go up. Nothing on the left. Let's check out this chest. Come on. Open. Okay. Nothing. Wow. Go up then. Go left. There's a chest. Can't do it without having, and we still haven't gotten anything. Go left. Up. There's a chest. Finally, we got some rock friends. Nothing to the right. Let's go up. There's another chest. And we get another rock friend. So I'm guessing all the rock friends are going to be like in the shipwreck or above. Let's check this one to see if we are correct. Nothing. Just copper coins. So we did find Ola, but we don't care. Just a good thing that we know where she will be. Let's check down here, even though I don't think there's one down here. So there is one, but we're going to have to battle. Let's see what we get. Okay, we did get a rock friend, so now let's go back. There's a chest, but we're going to have to battle. Squawk says I'm 15 hearts. Let's see what's inside of the chest. Come on, open. Okay. So we have 4 rock friends now. We actually have friends. And that's all of them. So next we are going to be going to Bonfire Spire. Nothing to the left. Let's look to the right. Okay, there's a flower. I think there's also one down here, which is going to be very annoying. Let's open the chest. Nothing good. And now we have to turn the lever. Turn the lever. Let's go back down. Over the lava. Nothing. Turn the lever back. Go left. Go down. I'm 100% sure there is one. And now I'm going to have to go turn on another lever. And we got to do a battle somehow. Open the... Oh, we already... Oh my god. This is the one that I opened yesterday. I forgot that I opened this one. Very stupid for opening it. Okay, so let's go to the right. Let's open the flower. Nothing. Let's check to see if there's anything down here. Let's check down here. There is one. We cannot make our way around the monster. Let's see what we get from the flower. Open. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we did get a comfy nest. Let's go to the left, and then we will go up. And we'll press the switch. We are going to have to use the map so that we can skip those 2 monsters. So let's go down. Once you have gotten back here, we will just make our way past this and down. Okay, so there is a lava there, meaning that we are going to have to clear it up by going to the right. This one should be easier. It is. Go to the right. Turn the switch, and there is also a chest, which we will open. And we get another comfy nest. So then we are going to go back to the left, over the burnout, and battle Puck. Hob gets to 1 heart. 10, I mean. So I accidentally... Oh my god, this is going to take a while to get back. I accidentally pressed the arena. I was trying to like go low, but yeah. Okay, we're back where we're supposed to be. Let's battle this burnout. Okay, let's open the chest. And we got another comfy nest. I think that's 4. So nothing up here. Let's see what our totals are. Items. Currency? So I'm not sure where these are stored. But so that is where all the chests are. Let's see our totals. So we only got 2 sunflowers, but we got 4 rock friends and 5 comfy nests, meaning that we should be able to complete it next video, which will probably come out in about 2 or 3 days. I'm not sure when the chests regenerate, but it only takes a few days. So yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. And bye.